Welcome to the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets. The euro was little changed last week. The euro rally eased as the oversold dollar showed resistance. However, the shared currency was supported by a massive fiscal stimulus bill adopted by the US lawmakers and the successful end of the Brexit saga, at least from the EU perspective. On the same front, the British pound did not see many reasons for seasonal cheer, as it remained mainly unchanged from the previous week. The euphoria over a post-Brexit agreement seems to have faded. The tricky subject of fisheries has been resolved by a temporary agreement, while financial services are not covered by the more than 1,000-page legal document. The Japanese yen weakened against the dollar as images of the start of the vaccination around the globe dominated the media, injecting fresh hopes for a global economic rebound post-COVID 2001. US stock indices continue to rise on the same hopes amid increasing risk-on sentiment and newly created liquidity by US Congress and the White House via coronavirus stimulus. Gold prices rose slightly last week but were very choppy. On one hand, the weakening dollar provided support for the yellow metal, while the rollout of vaccines and the rise of risky assets paired gains. For now at least, the 1,900 resistance level seems impenetrable. Crude oil prices consolidated earlier gains as the US moved towards expanding its pandemic aid payments and with a final post-Brexit deal set to stabilise trade between Europe and the UK. However, Russia is apparently pushing for a more extensive easing of OPEC production cuts in the first month of 2021 on top of the 500,000 barrels a day which were agreed in November. The regular OPEC Plus meeting will be held next Monday to come to agreement on the common policy of oil-producing countries. You've been watching the CFD Weekly overview of the global financial markets.